Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to scan record on Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get into it. Windows 11 has a built-in screen recorder that we can go and use, so let me show you how you can go and set it up and use it. So firstly, come to the bottom of Windows and click on Search and then type in Snipping Tool. Just like this. Then go and click on it like this. Now by default you may be thinking this is a screenshot tool, but if you go to the right of the snip tool we can go and tap on the camera, which is for record, and then what you want to do is go and click on new recording like this. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.